Hi bazala bamzitho, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu namhlanje bazala bamzitho is about uSweet Guluva no-Ashley, guys. So I saw another picture. I think it was AI that was making out uSweet Guluva akugumntwana. So I thought Sweet Guluva he has already met the boy. Can't you know, okay, guys? Yesterday Sweet Guluva has released a statement, or management has released a statement about him being the father of Dana Ashley. So guys, Usut Guluva on the statement, he is basically saying Ashley is refusing ukuthi yena abone umntwana and Ashley akafuni ngenza i-DNA. Uthi the only thing they need from Ashley is her ukuthi abane i-DNA. Ashley akamnika ithuba lokuthi abone umntwana, and he feels like that disrespecting culture yamaZulu ngoba abafuni ukuthi kwenza izinto ngendlela yesiZulu, ne? That's what that long statement is saying. Ayikho into eshoyo, ayikho into eshoyo, ayikho into ayiphikayo, ayikho into evumayo. But the only thing that they have made it out there, to be clear, uSweet Guluva has never met umntwana. uSweet Guluva no Ashley, they are not together. Bahlukane last year, and uSweet Guluva seems like he is not sure about the paternity of umntwana. He's not sure whether umntwana wakhe or not. Yeah, and they are saying Ashley is refusing to ukuthi DNA, and Ashley is refusing ukuthi uSweet Guluva abone umntwana. Okay, fine. I did read the statement. I didn't make a video because I felt like this is disrespect, and there's no need to keep it out there because Ashley has never said anything wrong or bad about the Sweet Guluva. The only thing this woman has been doing is protecting his team asylum fan and working on the back only. Okay, yesterday night, like soon is one of my saying, Ashley released her statement, guys. On the statement, Sarah Ashley Uti, she has never denied Sweet Guluva from seeing umntwana, and now she had cut all communication with Sweet Guluva because it has come to her attention that Sweet Guluva is saying umntwana akso. Because very much of DNA, that means you are not even sure to umntwana wakho or not. And uthi the only thing in our aims is ukuthi uSweet Guluva had been talking about her my former housemates, and my friends wakhe, and my family gathering wakibo Sweet Guluva and abangani ba Sweet Guluva. Feeling like Sweet Guluva has been talking about it, and it seems like Sweet Guluva has been denying ukuthi umntwana wakhe, guys. I said on my previous sister, behind every deadbeat father, there's a deadbeat grandmother. Remember, Sweet Guluva, he's still young. Sweet Guluva no mama who is young. Mama Sweet Guluva is young. No teachers. You understand, Mama Sweet Guluva? Maybe she's not even 45. If she's old, maybe she's 45, 46. So I think mama Sweet Guluva na mama Sweet Guluva na bogogo yibo bomele bahambe Sweet Guluva indlela right, and you cannot come and demand DNA manje when you are not there umuntu pregnant. These are things Sweet Guluva bomele bazenze Sweet Guluva. Sweet Guluva sabathi Ashley pregnant or Ashley asasho ukuthi pregnant because abantu abanyama banayo le tendency ukuthi sizobona ngomntwana. Umntwana akaqala ukuphila sombona. Umntwana uqala ukuphila sesesiswini. Mind you, Ashley has paid medical bills. Umntwana uzalelwe esibhedlela. Ashley abo doctor bahamba kumele ababhadalayo, and then uSweet Guluva to only come now azothena ufuna ubona umntwana. And on that statement, Ashley stated that Sweet Guluva has reached out after she gave birth, a few days after she gave birth, and he wanted them to meet on a public space. We are Sweet Guluva nabantu bakuba la engqondweni abekho right. Ungathi umuntu even now, actually I was watching a live yakhe bambuza ukuthi umntwana unayo inyanga na. They said no, umntwana akahlanganisi even a month. Ufuna ukuthi umuntu eceda ukuzala umntwana unomntwana ongakahlanganisi even nenyanga ayohlangana nawe in a public space. uSweet Guluva uyazifonela akashayela call back. And like bonke kubo because umuntu angahlanganisa even nenyanga. But on that statement they are claiming ukuthi bona they are following the Zulu culture. iZulu culture is saying umama umntana ozela umntana angahlanganisa even the 2 months or the 6 weeks, 6 weeks mele aphume nomntwana mele aphume before enza 6 weeks ayobona babakhe estradini. Because nomntana nimphika isiZulu nithi lo akusowethu niyaye nombona ekhaya kubo mamakhe or la mama ahlala khona. So he is busy and chasing the bag, gallivanting with women, making money, but he needs to take responsibility. And what I love about Ashley has never said uzo Sweet Guluva to maintenance court. That is what I love about this girl. So Ashley is saying yena nyaka saphinde ekhulume ne-Sweet Guluva. She has blocked the-Sweet Guluva because sakabona u-Sweet Guluva suddenly sekafuna i-DNA, indaba ye-DNA bangayazi. U-Sweet Guluva suddenly now sakaquestion i-paternity yomntwana. So into yaka-Sweet Guluva no-Ashley so izohamba through ama-court. Mina I don't wanna lie, as much as I blame u-Sweet Guluva, but 20% of my heart is blaming umama Sweet Guluva ne-family ka-Sweet Guluva. I feel like even if umntwana yena aphika umntwana, but nina as nibadala and you know lendlela amanjani, they were supposed ukuthi baye kibo Ashley bayodiscuss lento nabantu bakibo Ashley bese baqela ukuthi ngoba abantwana basazwani, ngoba abantwana they are not seeing eye to eye, and ngoba engathi lo wethu unako ukungabazi ukuphathenity yomntwana. Sicela ukuthi umntwana makasazaliwe, siyacela thina usingabe inkinga nabo. Umntwana makasazaliwe sicela ukuthi umntwana yenze i-DNA. For now we'll pay everything edingekayo umntwana. Then if i-DNA iyaphika, then that means ifamily like they'll pay them back. Even if ababa pay back, siyadliwa emhlabeni guys, dala silose imali. But now ngaba bakhala because la mntwana uyafana no-Sweet Guluva, and actually definitely short umntwana wa-Sweet Guluva. You understand? So manje bazobe inkingeni, so kumele bagijima ama-court. Already umntwana uzokhula azi ukuthi babambe kangiphika. What is that? What is that? uSuthi Guluva uzoluza i-fan base manje just because what she's doing uhetha ama-single parents amaningi, uhetha abantu besifazane abaningi, and she's showing us as women ukuthi akasilento thina besizitshela ukuthi yabo lento le bese uSuthi Guluva yahlonipha. uSuthi Guluva akahloniphi indoda engahloniphi abantu besimame, especially indoda engahloniphi umama umntana yakhe uzohlonipha kanjani abanye abantu besifazane? So she'll lose ama-brand. So he'll lose ama-brand just because of what he's doing now. He'll definitely lose ama-brand. Because I don't understand why uSuthi Guluva bangahambi uSuthi Guluva indlela right. And I feel like uSuthi Guluva ungene ngaphansi kamama yakhe kakhulu. And then naye nalento leyo ukuthi i-relationship yabo ukuthi phela it's because of mama uSuthi Guluva nizongibuza. It's because of mama uSuthi Guluva ne-family kaSuthi Guluva. They felt like someone once said uSuthi Guluva won't get married to Ashley. Uyawazi amazulu. And then now nayoke. So when someone, and if you look at uSuthi Guluva mncane ku-Ashley, lento leyo beyihlezi ikhona guys. These people, they were so in love endlini. Go prepare the house. Bebathandana labantwana ukuthi see ukuthi these people bayathandana. Jigijiling sebaphumile endlini sebanenkinga. It was not even 5 months baphumile endlini sebanenkinga. Ashley uSuthi Guluva umlahla kanjani umuntu pregnant? Umtshela kanjani umuntu pregnant ukuthi awusamfuni? Okay, so umtshelile ukuthi awusamfuni. I feel like the time pregnant you were so professional because you have never talked ill of her. Okay, sharp niyachubeka. Now umntana sekavelile you release a statement. The statement lesibonga was released. There was no need to release this statement because people, they were already saying you have met the child. Bomele uzithulele wena thatha abantu bakini baye kibo Ashley nigileke senifika lapha then khani ke senizohambisa lento ngomthetho. But yeah, you failed to do that. You felt like when you are angazi you are a king. Even a king angazi ngoba now sesiphila emhlabeni womthetho. We are impilo yethu ihamba according to the law. So ngoba wena ucabanga ukuthi angazi unyana kaMariya Yesu sizova ngawe la emhlabeni, you felt ukuthi the only thing that oyidinga emhlabeni is ama-fans wakho nemali, yingakho release the statement. The only thing I want to release the statement because you've seen ukuthi you are losing the fan base yakho and you lose money. So what you want when what you are focusing on is you getting the bag, and you do not care about Ashley, and you do not care about umntwana lo kuthiwa owakho. Yabona? And Ashley lapha uvele wathi jwang. And on the statement uSuthi Guluva uyasho ukuthi okay uthe jwang just because nami ngathi jwang people insinuated ukuthi usho mina. Why didn't you just keep quiet? And when I demanded that DNA because ufeel as if umntana kwakho, if umntana wakho then pay us the money that she has been spending this carter preg. They are so heartless. Give us uSuthi Guluva. Just imagine seeing a 9-month pregnant girl ahamba yegigging just because she knows that a 90% chances that she'll be a single parent. But mama uSuthi Guluva, she's been saying yena ukhulisa uSuthi Guluva kanti thini into yalo mama. But again, shembazala bami, you can comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.